Have you noticed it yet? That subtle shift in how your legs feel, getting up from a chair takes a little more effort, climbing stairs feels heavier, and even walking around the block leaves you more tired than it used to. This isn't just getting older, it's muscle loss, silent, gradual, and dangerously overlooked. But here's the good news, you can stop it. And it starts with what's on your plate. Stick around because I'm about to reveal 12 powerful foods that can strengthen your legs, prevent cramps, and keep you moving with confidence. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to check the links in the description for some very special goodies that can help you take your muscle health to the next level. Let's start with the first food on the list, avocados, the superfood for strong legs. Avocados have about 975 milligrams of potassium and twice as much as a sweet potato or banana. Avocados aren't just creamy and delicious, they're a powerhouse of muscle-supporting nutrients. They are particularly rich in potassium and magnesium, two essential electrolytes that play a crucial role in muscle contractions and nerve function. When your electrolytes are imbalanced, especially after intense exercise or dehydration, muscle cramps can occur. Avocados help restore proper muscle function by replenishing these critical minerals. Incorporate avocados into your meals by adding them to salads, spreading them on toast, or blending them into smoothies. Their high electrolyte content makes them a great choice for preventing and relieving muscle cramps. Next up, an exciting food, coconut water, nature's best hydrator. Dehydration is one of the leading causes of muscle cramps, and coconut water is one of the best natural ways to rehydrate. It's loaded with calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus, making it an excellent alternative to artificial sports drinks. One study found that athletes who drank electrolyte-rich beverages like coconut water after intense exercise experienced fewer muscle cramps than those who drank regular water. For best results, drink a glass of coconut water after exercise or during hot weather to keep your muscles hydrated and cramp-free. By adding avocados and coconut water to your diet, you can strengthen your muscles, reduce cramping, and maintain better overall mobility. Next up, a food that fights muscle cramps better than anything else. Ever been woken up by a painful leg cramp in the middle of the night? That's a sign your muscles are low on potassium, and bananas are the perfect solution. These yellow powerhouses are packed with potassium, which helps regulate muscle contractions, and magnesium, which relaxes muscles and prevents spasms. Eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can significantly reduce the frequency of muscle cramps. But wait, there's more. Watch till the end to find out how bananas can also improve your sleep quality and reduce inflammation. Now let's talk about something small but mighty, nuts and seeds. Don't let their size fool you. Nuts and seeds are loaded with muscle-boosting nutrients. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats that improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and keep muscles relaxed. The links in the description of this video have some good stuff to take your health and well-being to the next level. Check them out. Incorporating these tiny powerhouses into your diet can lead to significant health benefits. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack, their versatility is unmatched. A small handful a day can keep your muscles cramp-free. And here's a pro tip. Pair them with a banana for an extra boost of muscle-supporting nutrients. Moving on to a food that gives you steady energy for strong legs. Feeling sluggish? Sweet potatoes are the perfect fuel for your muscles. Packed with complex carbs, they provide steady, long-lasting energy. They're also rich in vitamin A, which helps repair muscle tissue, and potassium, which prevents cramping. Add them to your meals, and you'll notice a difference in your endurance and strength. Now let's talk about a food that's amazing for your joints and muscles. This isn't just a delicious meal, it's a muscle-building powerhouse. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep your joints flexible. It's also packed with high-quality protein to help repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Just 2 to 3 servings of salmon a week can keep your legs strong and your joints pain-free. But here's something you might not know. Salmon also supports nerve function, which is key for preventing muscle cramps. Now let's talk about a food that protects your muscles from damage. Berries, which are packed with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. Make berries a daily habit. Add them to your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Coming up next is a food that helps your muscles recover faster. Greek yogurt, which is a muscle-repairing powerhouse. It's packed with high-quality protein, calcium, and probiotics that aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Calcium is essential for muscle contractions, and the probiotics support gut health, which is directly linked to muscle function. Add Greek yogurt to your post-workout meals and you'll speed up recovery while strengthening your muscles. Now let's talk about nature's multivitamin for strong muscles. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with magnesium, iron, and vitamin K, all essential for muscle recovery, oxygen delivery, and bone health. They're also packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, keeping your muscles and joints in top shape. Pair them with citrus fruits to boost iron absorption and enhance muscle endurance. Next in line, we have eggs, the muscle-building powerhouse that can elevate your fitness regimen. Eggs aren't just a breakfast staple, they're a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. But that's not all. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle strength, and choline, which supports nerve-muscle communication. Try adding 1 or 2 eggs to your daily diet, and you'll notice your legs feeling stronger and more stable. Next, a plant-based powerhouse for strong legs. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas provide plant-based protein, fiber, and magnesium, helping your muscles recover and function efficiently. Plus, they stabilize blood sugar, giving you steady energy throughout the day. Adding beans and lentils to your diet can improve endurance, reduce cramps, and prevent muscle breakdown. And finally, a hydration hero that most people overlook. Hydration plays a huge role in muscle function. Watermelon, often overlooked, is a surprising hydration hero that effectively keeps your muscles functioning optimally. Packed with essential nutrients like potassium and magnesium, watermelon helps prevent dehydration-related muscle cramps. Moreover, it contains citrulline, an amino acid known to enhance blood flow and alleviate muscle soreness. For optimal recovery, consider drinking watermelon juice post-exercise to aid in muscle recovery. Incorporating watermelon into your diet not only keeps you hydrated but also supports your overall muscle health. By adding this refreshing fruit to your meals, you're investing in your body's strength and flexibility. It's essential to remember that what you eat today impacts your independence and mobility for years to come. So which of these hydrating foods are already part of your diet, and which ones are you eager to try? If you found this information helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more transformative health tips.